This show is proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved and enjoy the show.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Well, what a weekend it has been. The first thing that I want to say to you is this. The characteristics of this market as it stands right now is, in my eyes, the characteristics of a market that it looks like it's about to go absolutely burko. I mean, if you consider where we were, I mean, say 7,000. I'm talking the Bitfinex chart here, because if you look at, say, the Coinbase chart, we went a lot lower, 6,500 on that squirt. But I'm just going to focus on the Bitfinex because that's the least looking, the least pullback of the chart. Still, it is going to have, by the look of it, a close around 18 to 20% up, between 15 and 20% anyway for the week. Now, the way that the market pulled back and the way that it's pushed on, I could certainly see a $10,000 market by the end of this week. Now, I'm not saying that is going to happen. What I'm doing is I'm reading the charts as to what they are doing and how they are presenting themselves and how they're pulling back. Now, last week, I did a video that went out there to many different areas, talking about the 12-hour zone. A lot of the top 10 was pulling back on the 12-hour into the cradle zone. And guess what? A cradle trade set up across much of the top 10. Yep, that cradle broke. It took a little while, about 24 hours for it to go. But when it did, it moved very, very well. The high of the candle on Bitfinex there was 7,444. Of course, we are nearly $1,000 up from that point right now. It has been a truly spectacular couple of days there. The last 24 hours indeed. I mean, we are up $983, a whopping 13.56% as it stands, with the market about to close in about 40 odd minutes. As I say, the characteristics of this market are now looking parabolic bullish. We have everything within the top 10, bar Binance and Tron, doing double-digit moves to the upside. And when I say double-digit, I mean double-digit percentages. My focus this week is going to be on trading more often. I will more than likely be taking a lot more trades on lower time frames, minimizing my risk and looking to capture a bit of a runner. I do expect to get stopped out more frequently. That's why I'm going to minimize my risk on the positions that I take. Because for me, if I is to get a move where we do $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, get up towards that $10,000 and above mark, well then, if I can get a stop with, say, $50, $60, $100 of risk, and I get a $1,000 move, that's the sort of money that I'm chasing here. And I can have a few stop outs trying to find that trade and then prevailing with one, and I'll be more than in the money. And that's the way I'll be trading this market this week, provided the market sticks to what I see at the moment, which is overwhelming bullish sentiment. Now, if that market shifts, then that's fine as well. I'll have to just amend how I'm trading and see what goes on from there. But as it stands, it's a market for those that know what they're doing to get involved and have your game face on. I just finished my top 100 scan with my members, and we are ready. They know the strategies. I've shown them what we're looking at. I'm telling them how I'm trading. They know what they're doing, and we are really poised for what could be a truly fantastic week after a very healthy pullback. The other characteristics is the market pulled back right into the place I thought it would pull back to, around 7,000. I said I'd be happy at $7,000 or lower for a healthy pullback based on that daily time frame being in the cradle zone. So far, everything's going to plan. It's going very, very well. I feel very in tune with the market, and I'm going to stick to trading a bit more aggressively this week. If you don't know what you're doing, get across to TraderCobb.com and get yourself registered and just buy the courses, guys. They're good. Ethereum. Currently $263.36, up $29, up 12.78%. Again, a nice pullback into that cradle zone, and on the daily and also the 12-hour, a beautiful little cradle candle and a nice little move still on the go right there. EOS is above $6 again, sitting at $6.55. If you recall last week, I was saying that there was a cradle off of that $6 mark. Now, if you're not on my Facebook and YouTube channels, go and subscribe to both, and make sure you've got your alert switched on for when I do go live, so you get the alert and you can see what I'm talking about. Currently, EOS is $6.55, up 11.34%. Stellar Lumen's slowing a little bit here, and it's now just dipped below 10%. It's at 14.4 cents and at 10% up right now for the last 24 hours. Ripple, or XRP, I should say, has had a really strong move again, up 14.25%. And I am currently in the market for trades to the upside on XRP on the lower time frames. I'm stalking that right now. It's at 42 cents, up 14.25%. Litecoin, as it stands right now, also had a strong day, up 11.64%, currently just below that $100 mark at 96.62. Bitcoin Cash, another one that had a nice little pullback on the 12-hour into that cradle zone. Beautiful little opportunity there. Pop, away she goes. We're sitting at 425.64, up 19%. A whopping day there for Bitcoin Cash. Binance against dollar tether, a really slow day, up 1.41% at $29.27. Tron is the next one we're going to touch on. 2.8 cents, up 7.92, just grinding away slowly but surely, ticking along. Cardano is at 8.8 cents. It's up 11.66 cents today, and it's looking strong once again on that daily. And that is the top 10, ladies and gentlemen. Like I say, if you want to get involved, we're $1 away from $1,000 up for the day. Come on. Oh, waiting still. If you don't know what you're doing, guys, be careful. If you do, get involved and manage your risk. If you want to learn, you know what to do. We're up 1,003 right now on the day. Have a fantastic day, ladies and gentlemen. This could be a massive week for our markets. I, for one, will be using leverage to maximize my returns and manage my risk. Take care, get involved, because I'm excited. Bye for now. This show is proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved.